Hi! Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to try a new look because I've already got the rest of my face on, but I'm going to do eye color. So I'm really excited because yesterday I received 2 new Mary Kay colors that I ordered. The first one is Emerald Noir, and it's a beautiful deep green. And the second one is Mahogany, and it's like a dark brown matte with a little bit of, I don't know, it's like a chestnutty brown. It's really nice. Yeah, Mahogany is a good name for it. The third color that I'm going to be using, and this is one I've already used before and shown you, is Hazelnut. It's just a great neutral brown. And then I'm going to do a highlight. I'm not sure yet, but either with crystalline, that's awkward, crystalline or candlelight. I picked them up weird. Okay, crystalline or candlelight. So as you know, Mary Kay's their little palettes are magnetic. So I pulled them out so I could look at the back and see the names exactly of what I'm using for you. But I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, ready to go. So I'm going to start with my base color, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. So that's this one, Hazelnut. Okay. And we're going to apply that to the entire lid. Very good. Can you hear my tummy growling? Wow. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the Mahogany, and I'm going to just line my eyelids. So I'm basically using this as like an eyeliner. So I have a nice liner tip brush, and we're going to go ahead and use that as a liner just along my lash line. So I just gave the lash line a little definition. It's nothing extreme. As you know, I'm kind of like, I like more subtle colors. I don't like anything too crazy. So this Emerald Noir is pretty, you know, bold for me. So that's going to be the boldest thing we have going on here. Okay, now I'm going to pick up my Emerald Noir with a brush about this big. Okay. And I'm going to smudge it into my lash line right where I was applying that other Mahogany color. I'm going to go ahead and smudge the Emerald Noir into my lash line as well. So we're just building some subtle color. Okay, now I'm going to take the Emerald Noir, same brush, and bring it up into my crease. And don't worry, we're going to blend, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and apply that deep, vibrant color to my crease. Ooh, I like it. This is literally my first time seeing it on my skin, and I like it. It's a nice deep green. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to go back to the Hazelnut, and we're just going to blend. Go ahead and blend some. So it's pretty well blended. I feel like I could do a little more of the Emerald Noir. So I'm going to go back in and apply more along here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my liner brush again, skinny brush, put a little mahogany on it, the dark brown color, and bring it around underneath just a little. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Emerald Noir on this bigger brush and just sort of blend that out, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna clean up under here. Don't worry about any of that. And I like it. I think it's really pretty. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of a highlighting color, okay, and add just a touch of shimmer. I'm gonna try first Candlelight. Okay, first we're gonna try Candlelight. It's a nice shimmer. And I'm gonna apply it just up here under the brow bone. And just to this inner corner as well. I kind of like that. Can you see the difference between this one and this one? I like that little bit of shimmer. This would be really pretty with a gold too. A little gold highlight would be really nice with this. Yeah, good. And then I always like to do with the crystalline just a little bit of highlight as well. So we're gonna add some crystalline with a new clean brush, just right in here. Like it? I like it. I think it's really pretty. I actually think we could go for more. Should I go for more? Say no. Say no, Heather. Don't go for more. Don't go for more. Okay, I'm not gonna go for more. All right, now we're just gonna touch up this area underneath and give ourselves a little under eye lift. A little under eye lift with some concealer. Get things cleaned up and nice. And it's okay if you leave a nice clean line there, and then we're gonna smooth that out a little bit. But do you see how it lifts the eye, right? Compared to this one, it like pulls it right up. Okay, good. We'll just take our little blender brush and blend that out a little bit. So there's not too harsh of a line. But I do like that little lift it gives you. Okay. Now, mascara. I'm not going to use any liner with this look because I kind of tried to use the shadow as a liner, and I think that'll work fine. You can use a nice dark, I think a black liner would look really pretty with this too. So you can totally do that. This is my eyelash primer. Primer is the bomb. Do you guys use primer? It's so good. Yeah, eyelash primer. And then I'm gonna do two kinds of mascara. So I'm gonna start with the Lash Love. Lash Love gets everything separated, and I really like it a lot. And it's a little bit more delicate of a brush. You can see how tiny it is, tiny the bristles are. So you can get right up to your lash line without getting it onto your eyelid. Except I did make a little mess there. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to do the lash intensity. Lash intensity, and you'll see the difference in this brush. You see how fat that is? Big fat brush with big fanny bristles, and it's really nice. It puts a lot of product on each swoop, but it's a little less accurate of a brush, and so you will have some over if you go too tight on your lash line. It might get on your eyelid if you're not wearing liner. That's kind of visible. Okay, so that's a little more. Can you guys see the difference between the two mascaras? Like, this one's a lot more intense. That's why we call it lash intensity. Yeah. All right. That's our emerald eye look. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me this morning, and thank you so much for watching. And again, please like, comment, tell me what you want me to do next time. Yeah, give me all that feedback. I love feedback. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye.